world or world, be day. In a world where communication is key, everyone deserves the opportunity to express themselves. At SignTribe Academy, we believe that American Sign Language is more than just a language. It's a bridge to understanding, connecting, and empowerment. Our sign language and disability support courses were developed with one mission in mind: to teach American Sign Language to support communication strategies for autistic and disabled individuals. With over 1,000 videos, including easy-to-follow courses, interactive lessons, conversational skills, live Zoom workshops, and a supportive community, SignTribe Academy provides the strategies and resources needed to unlock the potential of our students. Whether you or your child are just beginning the ASL learning journey or looking to expand your ASL vocabulary, SignTribe Academy has something for everyone. Unlock the power of communication with SignTribe Academy. Join us today and let's create a world where everyone can be seen, heard, and understood. SignTribe Academy, where communication begins. So there are a couple of variations for the word world. You can have two W's, and then your dominant hand is on top, and then you move around and then back on top. World, or world, like a globe with your hands and slight claws, thumbs closer together, and then the pinkies closer together. World. B. So your hand, your dominant hand, you're going to have like a 9 or F shape, and then the thumb and pointer finger touch your cheek like a stinger, and then you're going to swipe it away. B. B, and then day. Index finger of your dominant hand sticking up, resting on your non-dominant arm, and then move down like this. Day. World, be, day.